Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see manufacturing model with shortages. In this model, an item is produced and consumption simultaneously for portions of the cycle time. Shortage is permitted. In this model, and it is consumed that the stock out. Shortage units will be satisfied from the units which will be produced at a later date with a penalty. Let us consider some variable for some items. The variable which are used in this model are given below. Here D denotes demand of items, C naught denotes ordering cost, CC denotes carrying cost, K denotes productions rate of the item or number of units produced. CS denotes shortage cost. P denotes purchase cost. T be the cycle times. T1 be the period of productions as well as the consumptions of items satisfy a period requirement. T2 be the period of consumptions only. T3 be the period of shortage. T4 be the period of production as well as the consumptions of the item satisfy back order. Key denotes economic order quantity. Q1 denotes maximum inventory. Q2 denotes maximum shortage quantity. Here we have some formula. Those are EOQ or Q equal to root A 2D C naught by CC into bracket 1 minus D by K bracket close into bracket CS by CS plus CC bracket close equal to, finally we get root A 2D C naught by CC into K by K minus D into CS plus CC by CS. Next formula, Q1 equal to root A 2D C naught by CC into K minus D by K into CS by CS plus CC. Next Q2 equal to root A 2D C naught by CC by CS bracket CS plus CC bracket close into K minus D by K. The next one is T is equal to Q by D. The next one is T1 is equal to Q1 by K minus D. The next one is equal to T2 is equal to Q1 by D. The next one is T3 equal to Q2 by D. The last one is Q2 by K minus D. Let us go to the problem. See here. The demand for an item is 6,000 unit per year. Its production rate is 1,000 unit per month. The carrying cost is 50 rupees per unit per year and a setup cost is 2,000 per setup. The shortage cost is 1,000 per unit per year. Find the various parameters of the inventory systems. Here given that demand D is equal to 6,000 unit per year. Ordering cost C naught is equal to 2,000 rupees. Carrying cost CC is equal to 50 rupees per unit per year. Production cost K is equal to 1,000 into 12 months equal to 12,000 units per year. Shortage cost CS is equal to 1,000 per unit per year. The first one to solve EOQ or Q. The Q formula, root A 2D C naught by CC into K by K minus D into CS plus CC by CS. By substituting the values, by doing the calculations, we get the value 1004. The next one is Q1 to solve. The Q1 formula, root A 2D C naught by CC into K minus D by K into CS by CS plus CC. By substituting the values, by doing the calculations, we get the value is, by substituting the values and by doing the calculation we get the value 478. The next one is a Q2. To solve Q2 formula, root 2d C0 by Cc by Cs bracket Cs plus Cc bracket close into K minus d by K. By substituting the values, by doing the calculations, we get the value Q2 is 24. The next one is a T1t is equal to Q by d. By substituting a Q and a d, by doing the calculation, we get the value 0.1673. That is a cycle time. Next one is a T1 equal to Q1 by K minus d. By substituting a K1, Q1, K and d. By doing the calculations, we get the value 0.0796. The next one is a T2 equal to Q1 by d. By substituting a Q1 and a d, by doing the calculation, we get a period of consumption value is 0.0796. The next one is a T3 equal to Q2 by d. By substituting a Q2 and a d, by doing the calculation, we get period of shortage 0.04. The last one is T4 equal to Q2 by K minus d. By substituting a Q2, K and d, by doing the calculation, we get a period of productions as well as the consumptions of a item satisfy. Back order is 0.04. Hope you all understand this concept. Thank you.